Hello students, today we are going to start our second lessons of Computer Science Grade 4. So today our topic will be about Microsoft PowerPoint. We're going to finish the questions and then we'll follow up with fill in the blanks, and I will show you how you can use Microsoft PowerPoint according to your curriculum. So the question number 19, where we stopped last time: what is a presentation? It is a systematic display of the contents of a topic. Now what does it mean? That means display means to show. Systematic system, that means how that software works. Displays the content, that means the ideas of the topic. You can use images, you can use different type of fonts, you can use symbols to explain your idea or that content. What is presentation means you will show. Now Microsoft PowerPoint is used to present the to make a presentation. That means you have an idea, you want to present it, so the viewers or other person or whom you want to show it can understand it much easier. Now question number 20: what is slide layout in MS PowerPoint? MS stands for PowerPoint slide layout. Now this is slide. These are slide. When you click, you can make, let's make one more slide. Click on new slide. These are known as slides. Layout means how it will look. Slide layout, that means how you want your slide to look. It is an arrangement of text graphic on a slide. Text means words, alphabets or the letters. This is the meaning of text. Arrangement, that means how to put them in order. Graphics means pictures or images. Graphics means pictures or images. Slide, these are known as slide. That means it move from one slide to another, from one to two. That means these are your slides. Question number 21: name 3 views in MS PowerPoint. What view means how you see it, that means how it looks. You have normal view, slide sorter view, and slide show view. Now what are these 3 views? Here you go to view, you have normal view which looks like that. This is a normal view. You have other views, outline view, but here in your syllabus they gave you slide sorter. This is slide sorter. This is how slide sorter use. You can click multiple, means more than one at a time. Like this, I can choose more than 2 slides at a time. See, let's back to normal. Let's come here. Then you have slideshow view. That means it will run all the slideshow. That means you will have a slideshow all together. Here, what is MS PowerPoint? It is commonly used software program created to create presentation. Commonly means most of the people use it. That's the meaning of word common. Software, that means this program software. To create means to make presentation. That means people use this software which you can see on your here on the screen. This is known as Microsoft PowerPoint. People use it to make their presentation. It is commonly used software program to create presentation. Question number 23. When do we use normal view? That means when I will use normal view. We use it to display the current slide in a slide panel or pane. Here should be slide panel, EL. We use it to display the current slide in a slide panel here. This is you known as your slide panel. I have more than one slide, so I can make three. So this would be my slide panel. So what is we use it? My current means the slide which I am using at the moment. So this would be, if I click on 2, this will become my current slide, and if I click on this one, this will become my current slide now. So we use it to display the current slide in the slide panel. L is missing here. Now here, when do we use slide sorter view? In which case I will use slide sorter view. We use it to select multiple slides. As I told you, multiple means many, more than one, multiple slides. Here I will go to view and sorter to select multiple slides. Here I can be able to select multiple slides. What is a shortcut key used to run a slideshow? Which is F12. F12 means, F means function key. You can find it on the top of your keyboard, the F keys which start from F1 to F12. Shortcut means the quickest way to do that work, which is running. To make run means to make slideshow work. For example, here, let's make it view and normal one. See, if I press F5, it will, at the moment I don't have any slides, so I will just create for you one. Now here I will show you how it works. Now we have fill in the blank. So let me show you how you can make your own presentation. See, these are slides. Click on home. You will have, this is the first default. When you open, how it will look like that. You can click on new slides. Okay, you can click on new slides to make more slides. Design, you can click on a design, choose any design you like. For example, if I choose this design, click on a design. Okay, title, let's say I can, let's say grade 4, and it's a bit different. I want to make something, let's go with this one. Yeah, let's say grade, here grade 4. Subtitle, you can choose date, which would be, let's say 4820. Let's say going to be a date, for example, or anything, or let's say MIS would be much better. MIS. Okay, now here I can make a card about, my topic would be like car, about car 1, and I can insert image. I can go to insert here, insert, go to picture, then you will go where the pictures are. My pictures are my desktop, test pick, click on, double click on it, choose which any picture you want to double click on it. Either you can double click on it, it will be appear here. See, this is my Kaiken hood. From here you can work on the size as well. That means here by clicking on it. Even you can choose the shape of the picture, how you want it to be presented. Let's say go this one. I'll go to my second slide. So this is now my current slide. Let's go for car 2. Here car 2 will be, let's go to same thing. You're going to go to insert, go to pictures. I have already chosen the folder, so I don't have to choose it again. Click on it. This is another click and insert. Wait for a while, it will appear here. Same thing, you're going to make it bigger. Here, click on it. See, like that. Click like that, and same thing. If you want to choose the image pictures according to you, like that. Let's move to third. Car 3. insert picture. It's going to be my last car. Bigger, like that. And I can add one more slide to just make it, let's say, new slide. I need it to be like that. For example, this would be, let's say, the end. Now I have created my simple slideshow for cars. So if I press F5 now, it will run. That means my slides will run. See, F4 moving, first car. So this is running. This process, what is happening now, is known as slides are running. So I'm moving from one slide to another. See, and this is an end. So this is how you can make a simple presentation, class. Now we will move to our fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. The first one, it says Microsoft Word is used to create documents. That means I use, this is not Microsoft Word, this one. I used to create a document. Instead of writing with a pen, I can just type here and I can save in my computer. So I can make document. So Microsoft Word is used to create documents. You can, question 27, you can save a Word document with the extension of .docs. So in each file in computer, it has its own form. Like PDF, it has its own .pdf, then you have .docx, which is for Word, then you have XLS, which is going to be for Excel. So this is how this format is used to save Microsoft Word file. Formatting is the process of applying font, styles, color, etc. That means formatting, how it will look, how you format, how the text will look. Either you can by font style, applying font style. That means on a word, I can use the font type, that means which type of font, the alphabet would look, and the size. To repeat the last action performed, click, this is should be CLICK, click, redo button. Now in which case I will use, for example, if I say what is your name, and by mistake I erase it, so I can click on redo button. See, this is my redo button. See, see, if I repeat again, I repeat, see, click, redo, this is, I'm repeating, see, whatever I've written, it's writing it again by itself. This is known as redo button. You will use it in a case where you delete, where you erase something by mistake. So to repeat the last action performed, click redo button. A font is a set of letters and symbols in a particular design and size. Font would be here, they said this is a font. It could be a letter, it could be a symbol. These are different types of font or handwriting styles known as fonts. So the size of the text is called the font size. That means, for example, this is my text. The size here, I can control the size. I can make it smaller, bigger. So here, according to what I want. So this is known as the size of a text. The way in which the character is emphasized is called the font style. That means how they are made here. The shape of this one, in which, see, these are the style of your font. Bold text is printed than a normal text. A bold print is always, darker the old text is printed darker than a normal text. See, if you have, I say repeat, let's choose another one, Arial. See, this one I can make it, let's make all of it as, you can change like that. See, if I want to make this one dark, move not darker, all of it, make it simple. See, if I want to make this one darker, see, this is known as a bold. Now this part is known as a bold. LaTeX text is slanted here. LaTeX, what's LaTeX? Here you can find it. Bold, this is you underline LaTeX here. Your text, that means when I choose LaTeX, click on this one, and when I type, you can see here like grade. Let's go with like grade. You can see that it's bit vertical, that means LaTeX. This is LaTeX font, that means it will be bit bended. So LaTeX text is slanted. 35. The text in MS Word can be highlighted in different colors. Highlight, that means the text, the words, as I have done here before, I can highlight it by using, see, any text by here. I can just put this one and I click on highlight. I can highlight, see, by clicking on this is a highlighter, and I can use different colors. See, I can highlight this part. See, I need to highlight, I will highlight this part. This is highlight, how you can highlight in Microsoft Word. Repeating again, the text in MS Word can be highlighted with different colors. The text alignment refers to the layout with respect to the document's margin. That means the text layout here again, this is how it will look. These are margins. So how you can, this is alignment left, I say center, right, and this is justify. Okay. This is according to your documents, according to you, how you want it to be. The default alignment in MS Word is align text left. So the default, that means once you open Microsoft Word, it will be always on your left, lying left. Always, this is a default. Default means it comes from a software, from a company. When you open it, this is the first thing you will see. That means it's always on your left. Bullets are used to display unordered list. Here bullets, unordered, that means you can use bullet to present. These are the bullets. Let's say maths, for example. Let's say how many students are in grade, let's say 4. So this is a question, so I might give an example. Let's say answer. The first I will write it in a bullet form. That means I don't need my answer to be in sequence. Maybe 23, 24 or 50. Let's say 32. So this, it doesn't need to be in sequence. I don't want them to be sequence, like it should be in one order, like 1 2 3. So bullet sign I will use to represent when I don't want something need to be in order. Font size is measured in points. That means it's measured in point. What does it means? Like here, font size, this is size is measured in point, like 9 10 12 11 12 14 16. These are known as point. So you measure in points. Justify is a type of alignment. Here I said this is a type of alignment. You will use it to medium low. You justify it according to how you want your text to be present. This is a justify medium. See, you justify how you want it to be appeared. Unordered is a list. is created when make use of bullet. That means in unordered, that means if you don't want something in order, you use what? You use bullets. Now what is the bullets? As I show you, these are the bullets here. Order list created when you make numbering. That means if you want something need to be in sequence, let's say I need something in sequence, I will use like, I will change it to like 1. See, this is sequence. I need this is first. Let's say 1, then 2, 3. So this is what? In sequence, like 1, 2, 3. If you want something need to be in 6, like 1, 2, 3, and 4. Font dialog box can be changed. The font name, size, style, and color. This is known as your dialog box here. Font, this is each on your clipboard. This box is for font. From here you can change the shape of the font, the color, and you can even highlight. The default font name in MS Word is known as Calibre. So the default, for example, the font here when it comes, this is the default always will be Calibre. This is a Calibre default. That means this type of let's say grade 4 computer. So you can see that the basic font is this one. That means a default. It comes from a company, from a Microsoft Word. That means when you open, this will be the font. Later on you can change according to your need. Highlighting button is used to highlight the important text. I say I can highlight button. You use it when you need to highlight important, like fill in the blanks, or if you need to point out something which is important. Here can see this is important. You can highlight it when you are going to use highlighter, when you want to pinpoint or to show that this thing is an important. Highlight button is used to highlight the important text. The order of slides. The order of the slide can be changed in slide sorter. That means in slide sorter, this fill in the blanks is for PowerPoint. So you can use slide change. I can change the order. That means here in slide view, for example, view, if I go to sorter, I can change the order. See, I can change the order. See, I'm able to change here. Normal view is the most suited for editing the text on a slide. That means the normal view here, this is a normal view. This is much suited to change. That means if you want edit means to add or to change something, it's much easier to use. And F5 key is used to run slide. That means when you press F5, it is used to make your slide work. Okay, now I will continue these questions in our next video. Thank you for watching class.